Namaste to everyone. I welcome you all in my YouTube video channel. Today I will deliver lecture on vector space, lecture number 30, in which I will discuss problems on matrix of linear transformation and change of basis. Now we solve a problem. Problem is, let T be a linear operator on capital R square defined by Txy equal to under bracket 2y comma 3x minus y. Find matrix representation of linear transformation T relative to basis containing vectors alpha 1 and alpha 2, where alpha 1 is ordered pair 1 3 and alpha 2 is ordered pair 2 5. Now we solve this solution. Let basis be equal to a set containing vectors alpha 1 and alpha 2. Since given that Txy equal to ordered pair 2y 3x minus y. Since alpha 1 equal to ordered pair 1 3, in place of x we put 1, in place of y we put 3. Here 2y means 2 into 3 comma 3x, 3 into 1 minus y means 3 equal to ordered pair 6 0, and ordered pair 1 3 is alpha 1, therefore T alpha 1 equal to ordered pair 6 0. This is number 1. Similarly, T alpha 2 is ordered pair 2 5, and we put these values in this equation, we get ordered pair 10 1. This is number 2. Let ordered pair AB equal to a vector in R square. R square be the vector space, and any element of this vector space is represented as a linear combination of elements of the basis. Here elements of the basis be alpha 1 and alpha 2. Therefore ordered pair AB equal to P alpha 1 plus Q alpha 2. Here alpha 1 is ordered pair 1 3 and alpha 2 is ordered pair 2 5, and we calculate this and we will get ordered pair P plus 2Q comma 3P plus 5Q. This means P plus 2Q equal to A and 3P plus 5Q equal to B. This is number 4 and this is number 5. We solve these two equations and we will get P equal to minus 5A plus 2B and Q equal to 3A minus B. This is number 6. From 3, here ordered pair AB equal to P, we put the value of P here minus 5A plus 2B alpha 1 plus Q, we put the value of Q 3A minus B alpha 2, here alpha 2. This is number 7. Now we put the value of A is 6 and B is 0. Here we have ordered pair 6 0. So by putting value of A equal to 6 and B equal to 0, right side also, we get minus 30 alpha 1 plus 18 alpha 2. This ordered pair 6 0 is T alpha 1. So here we write T alpha 1 equal to minus 30 alpha 1 plus 18 alpha 2. This is number 8. From 2 and 7, in 2 we have ordered pair 10 1. We write ordered pair 10 1. In place of A we write 10, in place of B we write 1. And also we in right side we write in place of A 10, in place of B 1, in place of A 10, in place of B 1, and we will get T alpha 2 equal to minus 48 alpha 1 plus 29 alpha 2. This is 9. From 8 and 9, the coordinate matrix is in the first row minus 30, 18, and in the second row minus 48, 29. Therefore, matrix of linear transformation with respect to basis B equal to transpose of A matrix. That means this row becomes column minus 30 and 18 becomes column, minus 48, 29 becomes second column, and this is the required matrix of the linear transformation with respect to basis B. Now we solve the next problem so that the vectors alpha 1 is order triplet 1, 0, minus 1, alpha 2 is order triplet 1, 2, 1, alpha 3 is an order triplet containing 0, minus 3, 2, form a basis for R cube. Express each of the standard basis vectors E1, E2, E3 as a linear combination of alpha 1, alpha 2, alpha 3, where E1 is order triplet 1, 0, 0, E2 is another order triplet containing 0, 1, 0, E3 is another order triplet containing 0, 0, 1. Now we solve this. Let B is a subset of R cube which contains vectors alpha 1, alpha 2, alpha 3, where alpha 1, alpha 2 and alpha 3 are given in the problem. Let A, B, C are scalars such that A alpha 1 plus B alpha 2 plus C alpha 3 equal to 0 element of R cube, that is order triplet 0, 0, 0. Now we put the values of alpha 1, alpha 2, alpha 3. Alpha 1 is order triplet 1, 0, minus 1. Similarly, we put the value of alpha 2 and alpha 3 here and here. Now calculating, we get A plus B plus 0 into C. Here A into 1 plus B into 1 plus C into 0, comma A into 0 plus 2 into B minus 3 into C, comma minus A plus 1 into B plus 2C, right side order triplet 0, 0, 0. Equating both sides, A plus B plus 0 into C equal to 0, first component. Here 0 into A plus 2B minus 3C equal to 0, second component, and minus A plus B plus 2C equal to 0, third component. This is number 2, this is number 3, this is number 4. From 2, 3 and 4 we get a matrix contained in the first row 1, 1, 0. In the second row 0, 2, minus 3. In the third row minus 1, 1, 2. And column matrix containing A, B, C. Here column matrix containing 0, 0, 0. This is matrix A and this is matrix X. And column matrix is denoted by a matrix containing 0, 0, 0. This is of 3 by 1 matrix. Now we did get determinant of A. Determinant of A is here 10, which is not equal to 0. Therefore, only trivial solution exists. That means X equal to 0 matrix. X is column matrix A, B, C equal to 0 matrix. Here A equal to 0, B equal to 0 and C equal to 0. From 1 and 5 we get A alpha 1 plus B alpha 2 plus C alpha 3 equal to order triplet 0, 0, 0 implies that A equal to 0, B equal to 0, C equal to 0. That means alpha 1, alpha 2, alpha 3 are linearly independent vectors. Since B contains these vectors, therefore B is a linearly independent subset of R cube. Since R cube is of 3-dimensional vector space and B contains 3 number of linearly independent vectors, therefore B must be basis of the vector space R cube. Let the set B prime contains elements E1, E2, E3 and B prime be the standard basis for R cube. That is E1 equal to order triplet 1, 0, 0, E2 equal to order triplet 0, 1, 0, E3 equal to order triplet 0, 0, 1. Let there exist a linear operator T such that T E I equal to alpha I. Therefore, T E1 equal to alpha 1. Since alpha 1 equal to order triplet 1, 0, minus 1, we may write this as 1 into order triplet 1, 0, 0 plus 0 into order triplet 0, 1, 0 plus minus 1 into order triplet 0, 0, 1. This is E1, this is E2 and this is E3. Therefore, T E1 equal to 1 E1 plus 0 E2 plus minus 1 E3. This is number 6. Similarly, T E2 equal to alpha 2. Alpha 2 is order triplet 1, 2, 1. We may write this as 1 E1 plus 2 E2 plus 1 E3. This is number 7. T E3 equal to alpha 3. Alpha 3 is order triplet 0, minus 3, 2. We may write this 0 E1 plus minus 3 E2 plus 2 E3. This is number 8. From 6, 7 and 8, the coordinate matrix is 1, 0, minus 1 first row, In the second row 1, 2, 1. In the third row 0, -3, 2. Therefore, matrix of linear transformation T with respect to basis B prime, this basis B prime equal to, we transpose this matrix, this row becomes column, second row becomes second column, third row becomes third column. Let this is A, and this is equation number 9. Now we find the value of A inverse. For this, we have to find cofactors of each element of this matrix and then find adjoint and also to find determinant of A. And we get A inverse equal to 1 by determinant A adjoint A. And this is equal to 1 by 10 multiplied by this matrix. Value of the determinant A is 10. Since E1 is order triplet 1, 0, 0, and we may write this as 1 into E1 plus 0 into E2 plus 0 into E3. Therefore, coordinate matrix for E1 with respect to basis B prime is 1, 0, 0 column matrix. We know that relation between coordinate matrix of E1 with respect to two bases B and B prime is coordinate matrix of E1 with respect to basis B equal to A inverse coordinate matrix of E1 with respect to basis B prime. Coordinate matrix of E1 with respect to basis B prime is column matrix 1, 0, 0. And value of A inverse is this. And after multiplying, we get coordinate matrix of E1 with respect to basis B equal to a column matrix containing elements 7 by 10, 3 by 10, 2 by 10. Since basis B contains alpha 1, alpha 2, alpha 3 vectors. Therefore, E1 equal to 7 by 10 alpha 1 plus 3 by 10 alpha 2 plus 2 by 10 alpha 3. This is number 10. Similarly, E2 equal to order triplet 0, 1, 0. We may write this 0 into E1 plus 1 into E2 plus 0 into E3. Therefore, coordinate matrix of E2 with respect to basis B prime is 0, 1, 0 column matrix. Since we know that relation between coordinate matrix of E2 with respect to basis B and basis B prime be coordinate matrix of E2 with respect to basis B equal to A inverse coordinate matrix of E2 with respect to basis B prime, and value of this is 0, 1, 0, and we multiply with A inverse this and we get value A column matrix containing minus 2 by 10, 2 by 10, minus 2 by 10, and then E2 equal to minus 2 by 10 alpha 1 plus 2 by 10 alpha 2 minus 2 by 10 alpha 3. Similarly, we may find E3 which gives the result E3 equal to minus 3 by 10 alpha 1 plus 3 by 10 alpha 2 plus 2 by 10 alpha 3. Now we solve another problem. find the linear operator T on RQ whose matrix with respect to basis B is the basis of the vector space RQ, which contains vectors order triplet 1 0 0, 0 1 0 and 0 0 1, and matrix of the linear transformation T with respect to basis B is the matrix containing elements in first row 0 1 1, in the second row 1 0 minus 1, in the third row minus 1 minus 1 0. Also find the matrix of the linear transformation T with respect to basis B1. B1 contains three vectors 0 1 minus 1 order triplet, second order triplet 1 minus 1 1, third order triplet minus 1 1 0. Now we solve this. The coordinate matrix is the transpose of this matrix. First row will be changed into first column 0 1 1, here 0 1 1. Second row 1 0 minus 1 changes to second column. Third row minus 1 0 changes to third column. Now we find the linear transformation of each of vectors of B. T1 0 0 will be first coordinate 0 and first element of B, plus second coordinate 1, second element is 0 1 0, plus third coordinate minus 1 into third element of B, and after calculation we get order triplet 0 1 minus 1. This is number 2. Now linear transformation of second element of B. Second row, here coordinate is 1, first element of B, plus here coordinates is 0, second element of B, plus coordinate minus 1, third element of B, and after calculation we will get here order triplet 1 0 minus 1. This is number 3. Now T 0 0 1 equal to, here in the third row coordinate 1, first element of B, coordinate minus 1, second element of B, plus 0, third element of B, and we calculate this and we will get order triplet 1 minus 1 0. This is number 4. Now we may write order triplet ABC equal to A into first element of B plus B into second element of B plus C into third element of B. And now we apply linear transformation T in both sides. T order triplet ABC equal to A outside, since T is a linear transformation, so we get here T order triplet 1 0 0 plus B outside linear transformation T of 0 1 0 plus C outside linear transformation t 0, 0, 1. Since t of 1, 0, 0 here number 2, we get order triplet 0, 1, -1 plus b t of 0, 1, 0, t of 0, 1, 0 in 3. We get order triplet 1, 0, -1 plus c t of 0, 0, 1 here number 4 order triplet 1, -1, 0, and we multiply this, and lastly we get order triplet b plus c, a minus c, a minus b. This is number 5. Therefore, we get formula of the linear transformation. T order triplet a b c equal to order triplet b plus c, a minus c, minus a minus b. This is the required formula for linear transformation T. Therefore, first part is solved. Now, to find the matrix of the linear transformation T with respect to basis B1. B1 contains these 3 elements. Now, here B1 contains first element order triplet 0, 1, -1. If we put 0 means A, 1 means B, and -1 means C, then T 0, 1, -1 will be right side also. In place of A we write 0, in place of B we write 1, in place of C we write -1, and we will get the value order triplet 0, 1, -1. This is number 6. Similarly, for second element of B1, this is A, this is B, this is C here, and we also put in right side, and we will get T order triplet 1, -1, 1 equal to order triplet 0, 0, 0. Now, we find T of third element. -1 is A, 1 is B, and 0 is C. Here, right side also, we put A equal to -1, B equal to 1, and C equal to 0. And we will get order triplet 1, -1, 0. This is number 8. Let linear transformation of first element of basis B1 equal to x into first element of basis B1 plus y into second element of basis B1 plus z into third element of basis B1. Since value of linear transformation of T 0, 1, -1 equal to order triplet 0, 1, -1 from 6. We put this, and after calculation right side becomes order triplet this. Here equating order triplet of both sides y minus z equal to 0, x minus y equal to 1, and minus x plus y equal to -1. Solving this, we get x equal to 1, y equal to 0, z equal to 0. So we put here x equal to 1, y equal to 0, and z equal to 0, and we get this value, number 9. Similarly, linear transformation of second element of basis B1 will be 0 multiply by first element of B1 plus 0 multiply by second element of B1 plus 0 into third element of B1. Similar to first, we may find the value of this coordinates 0, 0, 0. Similarly, linear transformation of third element of B1, similar to case first, we may get the value of t of minus 1, 1, 0 equal to here coordinate 0, first element of B1 plus coordinate 0, second element of B1 and coordinate minus 1 multiplied by third element of B1. Therefore, from 9, 10 and 11, coordinate matrix will be coefficient 1, 0, 0 in the first row. In the second row, 0, 0, 0. In the third row, 0, 0, minus 1. And transpose of this is the matrix of the linear transformation T with respect to basis B1. And the first row becomes first column, second row becomes second column, third row becomes third column. This is the required matrix of the linear transformation T with respect to basis B1 solved. Thanks for watching my video. If you are satisfied with my presentation and contents, then please click on like button and do subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.